Hello everyone, my name is Zhou, and today I will be presenting my presentation on the topic of giant corporations creating business ecosystems. I will break down the presentation into sections of current issues, solutions, and a future outlook on how technology is revolutionizing the business world. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. And it contains biotic or living parts, as well as abiotic factors or non-living parts. I will give you an example on business ecosystem using General Electric as an example. So they have multiple business units across sectors. GE Aviation produces engines for planes and cars. GE Appliances manufacture electric appliances, and GE Healthcare produce medical machines. The benefit of having multiple business units is to better manage their supply chains. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services between business and locations, and includes movement and storage of raw materials. The benefit of creating a business conglomerate is to achieve synergy. Synergy is the concept that the value and performance of two business units combined will be greater than the sum of the separate individual parts. If two business units can merge to create greater efficiency or scale. Another benefit is brand recognition. It is the concept used in advertising and marketing. It is considered successful when people are able to recognize a brand through visual or auditory cues, such as logos, slogans, packaging, colors, rather than being explicitly exposed to a company's name. Through business diversification, companies can achieve consumer loyalty. It is a measure of a customer's likeliness to do repeat business with a company or brand. It is the result of customer satisfaction, positive customer experiences, and the overall value of the goods and services consumer receives from a business. However, today's business world, many companies are stepping into new areas that are not relevant to their core business. Amazon launching Prime Videos to compete with Hollywood, launching Whole Foods to compete with Walmart, and launching AWS to compete with Oracle. One benefit they can achieve is network effect. It is the phenomenon by which the value or utility a user derives from a good or service depends on the number of users of compatible products. Network effects are typically positive, resulting in a given user deriving more value from a product. Another benefit is data sharing. It is the practice of making data used for one business unit available to another business unit. The free flow of data lowered a company's overall data acquisition and data analytics costs. They can also collect user data. It means all data, information, and other content of any type and in any format, whether video, audio, digital, that is input, uploaded to, placed into, or collected, stored, processed by any device, system, or network. They can also apply data analytics. It is the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It also entails applying data patterns towards effective decision-making. However, it suppresses small companies or startups' ability and desire to initiate an innovative idea. Smaller players have less access to massive amount of data, which gives them a disadvantage in technology world. Thus, it brings up an important notion of data ownership. Data ownership is the act of having legal rights or complete control over a single piece or a set of data elements. Who should own the data, the business, or the end consumers? And the regulation should come into play. Regulation is the management of complex systems according to a set of rules or trends. They should set guidelines on how to govern data in the business world. And the European Union has been very strict on it. They issued GDPR in 2016. The General Data Protection Regulation is a legal framework that sets guidelines for the collection and processing of personal information from individuals who live in the European Union. China also introduced the Personal Information Protection Law this year, which gives authorities the power to impose huge fines and blacklist companies. The law will reshape how companies in China do business and collect user data. One of the new trends in the future is the use of big data. It is a field that trades ways to analyze, systematically extract information from, or otherwise deal with data sets that are too large or complex to be dealt with by traditional data processing application software. In addition, machine learning will also play a key role. It is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Lastly, artificial intelligence will thrive. It is an intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to natural intelligence displayed by humans. Speech recognition, decision-making, visual perception are features of human intelligence that artificial intelligence may possess. And that concludes my presentation.